smoke, big smoke.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Slow Boy VQ, aka Chris, back to y'all with another video. Today's video, we got something special planned for y'all. We got an exhaust video. I'm gonna show y'all how the Q sounding and all the exhaust setup I got for the Q. It's nothing much. It's really something simple. It ain't too big. I just want to show y'all how it sounds and all that. Basically, what we got for the Q is a muffler delete. I'm just gonna show y'all how it sounds, give y'all a little rev up, give y'all some sound clips, some flybys and all that. You feel me? You got something good. And eventually, I'm gonna change the setup. I'm gonna go with something like an ARK exhaust setup, ARC exhaust. I should have said that. It would have made it more easy. But yeah, ARC exhaust, probably a speed coaster setup. I just want like a 3-inch setup, honestly. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all what it sounds like for right now. And eventually, we're gonna get something better. So I'm gonna give you guys a cold start what the Q sound like right now. Well guys, here's the Q. That jump looks hella aggressive, bro. Damn. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving you a cold start. I'm gonna set up the camera since I don't have remote start, unfortunately. Oh my gosh, which sucks. But I'm gonna set up the camera to give y'all a close-up view of how the exhaust sounds. So just give me a second while I do that. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. Don't mind the car being dirty. It looks hella dirty right now. But that back end look kind of nice though. We do need a diffuser though. But let me get to the cold start. Just for a muffler delete. It's not too loud and it's not too quiet, if that makes sense. It's like a just right type of thing. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to a spot where I can do some drive-bys and rep the car for y'all a little bit so y'all can see how it sounds. But I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. Well guys, I finally made it to the spot. Right now I'm just gonna give you guys a little rev session. Then afterwards I'm gonna give you guys some flybys of how it sounds and everything. So yeah. Dang, I'm a little rough though. Shit. But yeah, I'm gonna do that for y'all real quick. Bet. Alright, bet. I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna give it to y'all like comfort, like regular mode, sports mode. I'm gonna do it that way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it that way. So first, let me put it in. regular mode. I don't think it's really gonna make a difference, but I'll show y'all. See, it really doesn't make a difference, but I think in sports mode it pops like a few times. But besides that, that's really much it. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do. I was trying to make it pop for y'all so you can see, but it wasn't really cooperating. So I probably might try again at the end of the video, but right now I'm just gonna give you guys some flybys. Let's show you how it sounds. But Anyway, guys, I'm gonna try to give you like one more like try to like drive by. I don't know how that one's gonna sound, so I'm gonna make like one to just me just doing one like a whole run just from a dig, just straight down, so you guys can see how that is and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try this. I'm just trying to just get the best sound for y'all out of this, and I'm trying my best. I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna set up the camera again so you guys can see. But so yeah, you guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, kind of, sort of. I try to get the best clips for y'all as possible, but I'm gonna see how it turns out. Either way, I think I still got some good clips for y'all. Either way, but yeah, it's your boy Slowboy VQ. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.